Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to your number one soccer podcast in the land. This is Pass and Move. Channel Deb 3 TV. As always, angihambing one and lamajita namhla siyelo kuluhlaza. Ton kuluhlaza kunjani? Kuluhlaza lithanga kulithanga estudio kuyafiwa akuzwanwana.
Kujabulisa mina.
Pambanisa such an intro. We're coming to you live from Koraba at Deb 3 Studios. This episode, as always, is brought to you by Lucky Bets. Hey, Gaffio, I'm done. Gaffio, you like a busy. So, gents, let me get the show on the road fast. I was on. It's competition time. Lucky Bets, as you know, is always bring the goodies to the people. To our viewers, please participate in this and win yourself some amazing goodies. But it's play today and win a Chicken in FC replica. What is simple? What only you have to do is open a Lucky Bets account, deposit $5 with any of the methods you know how to deposit. You deposit through Lokuzen, EcoCash, Omari, and Inbox. After doing that, you place a bet. You send proof to the number on the screen. How much it does, they will do justice and put everything on the screen. So simple as that, you win yourself this beautiful chicken in a replica. As you can see, I placed my bet, but as to a replica or place a replica. But yati hati ngamboni lokhuzela ngasithi ijezi aphathi iyo nje hayi yavuma is the one. Do you have to repeat that for the benefit of those that did not hear?
Yeah, I think you
So go to luckybets.co.zw, open a Lucky Bets account, deposit $5 through EcoCash, Omari, and Inbox. After you've done so, place a bet. You can simply say South Africa to win today or South Africa to draw is playing today. South Africa, the Tanzania, you go AFCON, you place a bet, bet build or whatever. But as long as you place the bet, after you place the bet, send proof to the number on the screen. My details are there. Send proof. After you've done so, you win yourself a chicken in a replica. And China is under.
keep it up. Ngesindebele abangazwanga isikulungu uthi khona uyathatha ifoni yakho uyivule maybe ku Google Chrome laphana ubusutype www.luckybets.co.zw then usuhlaba okulandelayo subhala okubhale join then nxa ungena khona phana iza kunika izinto ofuza uzenze ibizo lakho ama contacts akho ufake konke nxa uqeda usule account then ususenza ukuthi ayiku deposit uhlaba okubhale khona deposit iza kuthi ufuna ufaka ngeEcoCash ufuna ufaka ngeOmari kumbe ngeinbox then ungaqeda ukudeposita ufake $5 ubusudlala iticket lakho elilodwa then usuthatha i-screenshot ubususende enambeni ezizathunyelwa nje phambi kwe-TV lapho kumbe ku phone yakho lapho ubukele khona ngikwazi ubukele ngapi then ubususenda khona lapho ungasenda ubusuzwinele i-t-shirt yakho enjengale ngigqokileyo chickenini imali usebenzisele ungawini imali ngeyakho konke ungadliwa imali kukuwe but ukusala ukuthi i-t-shirt yabusunjani yabusula
whatever.
Lucky Bets always deliver ikubona deliver le man of the match.
Play today and win. Kanyeti chingowa uza nechiachi French inovunisa
hanzi waona womkana wekuti uine jezi rakanaka sera ndakafeka kuti ukwanise kuriwina tora phone yako uende pa browser yako be it Chrome kana kuti chero inoshandiswa pa phone pako wonyora pamusoro paya kuti luckybets.co.zw ukasvika ipapo kana usina account wavhura account uite deposit ye$5
ichokwadi
deposit unokwanisa kuita neomari kana kuti eco cash kana kuti zvimwe zvese zvaunokwanisa kushandisa, and then woita bet. Ukaita bet wozowana pekutiradzidzawo wana mukana wekuti uwine jezi reChicken Inn FC.
Mashoko makukutu.
masuti wena tata sikhona lezi sangaphe eBedbridge umbe seGwanda
Isivenda.
sebezwile
Kiralo kama venda muna.
ongazwa ngebedala
Bakunga natavula
explain le inkinga
kuyacaca
socacile
amajezi lawa siwinisa every day siyawinisa daily.
Promotion iziphele.
I-promotion iziphele siyawinisa every day. Gents, last week ngikhulumini before the show ngathi, do you realize ukuthi ishow mayiqala these days is RIP?
Kuplay
Every, I think iminyaka lo uthi uqalisa ama RIP esesiwayenzile semani ngakho.
Kakhulu.
Every show besithi nxa iqala is RIP. This week it's been, I think the nation has been plunged into everyone sit down, tears, because into enzima. Could I think into the ngikhumbuza umnyaka kuze ushona uBlessing Makuni ke ku car accident. Do you remember that accident bevela dlala eLuveve? That car accident whereby we lost three guys. Is the same thing this week. Was it Tuesday? Tuesday.
No, it's Thursday.
Huh?
Thursday.
It's Thursday. Not Tuesday.
No, Thursday night.
Thursday night. Yes, right. Thursday night. And they was Kurumele previous show. City RIP Popo. Thursday night. Sesizwa ezibuhlungu. We've lost Islanders chairman, vice chairman, treasurer, the super fan. 4 go road accident. Sad news. Condolences to football fraternity. Stachugelwe ubuhlungu go Island, ubuhlungu ezimulini. Kubuhlungu esizweni because into ebamba isizwe. Imagine ama administrators le support Sutman ngiyakwazi usema groupini amaningi yale ndawo kubuhlungu. Inews zakuthinta kanjani usizwa kulombuzo omunye ngithanda ukuthi siukhangele sizama ukuphendula sisasekhona. How then did the Islanders community receive the news? Lapho okhona amagroupini okhona we-Islanders.
obvious baba they were abantu bonke they are shocked because ideath le azideath iba kuhle mawuthiwa ibuye ngokugula mawuthiwa abantu bonke bashone ka3 engozini so abantu bonke baba shocked so to be honest with you ama-Islanders iloba nje besithi ibhodi inzima abaphume wathi but this news hayi ingene ezinhlungweni straight.
Yeah, kakhulu. Yeah, I think ngicizelela khonapho kulento yodwa nje esiwazi ukuthi like uMasuthu sihleze sebenzisa iBhayibheli kakhulu ukuthi iBhayibhelini uNkulunkulu uyakhuluma kuAdam ethi khona emhlabathini uzakubuyela lapho vele khona, which is a way of death. We all know that one day, one way or the other, all of us are going to die, and we have accepted that. But inkinga eyodwa enginanzela nxa ukhangela even indlela okuhlelwe ngayo ukuthi akulotshwanga ukuthi umuntu uza kufa njani, but besikhangela ukuthi umuntu nxa usifa ufe at old age, ufe ngokugula, kuyinto esiyamukelayo njengabantu. But nxa usifa ngendlela enje yokuthi khona just like that you are happy and the next minute you are no longer there, and no one is expecting that kuzi news ezingayamukelekiyo kukakahle ebantwini esiyazidabukile enhlizweni and sithi langalezo to the football fraternity, the families of the bereaved, likhale lilethemba litutuzekile konke okwenziwa kulesikhathi sakho uNkulunkulu uyakwazi indaba okuhlelile. Kubuhlungu kakhulu ukuthi sikuyamukele, kubuhlungu kakhulu ukulahlekelwa with the people adesilabo enkundleni. Yebo, I'm not a Highlanders fan but bensizwa besithi abasabafuna ukuthi bebe bezinkokheli zawo, but I would love to believe ukuthi akula engafuni ukuthi bephile, bebengabafuni ukuthi bekhokhele Highlanders but ayikhona ukuthi bekhokhele izimuli zabo lokuphila. So sidabukile lathi njenge Depth 3, sidabukile njenge Pass and Move, sithi tutuzekanini lapha elikhona.
Yeah, le indaba angazi ukuthi ngingakufaka ngithini, kodwa yabona into yokuthi vele awukhangeleli. It's fine ukufa sonto vele sihlala sikhaya, but ngendlela nje okusehlele ngayo mina I understand ukuthi thina ukuthi sivuke kunje so mdala siqhubeke senze sikwenza kungenxa ukuthi sile hope, yabona yabo le hope ukuthi izinto one day zizalunga. So mina bengiloku imagine ukuthi kathesi so bekukubi inxa sesikhayela emsebenzini yabo ukuthi wonke umuntu bekhala ukuthi alenze kahle. So yabocabanga ukuthi enxe lapha bakhona bese behlela ukuthi right abantu bakhala singalungisisa njani kusasa kungavuka kukuhle yini or something like that, and then all of a sudden nje suhambile ongasazange wayenza into yabo usifisa. So ngithi emulini zaba batutuzeke, emuli Highlanders la futhi itutuzeke, and then to the whole football fraternity nje tutuzekanini kodwa indaba ezibuhlungu le.
Sithe siqala sishoot ubonile iconvoy idlule lapha sebese eBF bewufiwa
moto eziningi
kakhulu zise-BF. Just to give a context, umuntu oyizwa khathesi oyizwa manje ozizwa manje indaba lezi, we lost retired Colonel Kenneth Mhlophe. He was chairman, executive chairman, vice chair wakhe Sifiso Siziba. Then there was treasurer Nkani Khoza, then Highlanders fan Umbalenhle Sibanda. Nyezwa Masutu ngizabuya kuye kakhulu uthinte enye into ebengikhuluma ngayo uqaliseni ukuthi kulombuzo ukuthi abantu bebekhala nge-leadership, that's asonto esingayibalekeni. But I don't think anyone wished ukuthi abantu behambe ngendlela eje. So umbuzo bekuwukuthi abantu bebehlala besithi sabafuna abantu labo Highland what umsebenzi abayenzi ngendlela. To people still, I know ukuthi as Ubuntu said it ukuthi no one wishes death upon anyone, but abantu did they still share the same sentiments ukuthi hayi babafuna eclubini vele bafuna behambile.
Yeah, eqinisweni ukuthi abantu they were fed up ngabo ukuthi abaphume ku executive ku board not ukuthi bafe. Yikho bebuhlungu abantu babengasa yabona being a manager abantu bangathi hayi awurani kahle phuma as a manager nje abathi uthi. So 100% abantu bazobuhlungu ukuthi bashonile in a way ukuthi bebengaku expectela nje, but ukuthi abantu besuke bona ku board loba nje bengasaphumanga kahle yabona. Abantu bephuma kumele bephume ku board kuphela into abantu beyisho.
James, this is going to be a different show. I know it's a football show at the end of the day, but it's going to take a different turn, because I saw izinto eziningi over this tragedy. One, kule issue press, even amapolice aqina sekhuluma ukuthi guys please stop announcing such accidents ku social media. ngifuna isikhangele nje izinto eziningi, then how also as a people do we react over ama situations also as a people, as Africans? Because ngayenze example ukuthi ngithi eGanethi yazi ngiyadubeka man, angila mpuphu or angila sichebo, ngikhuluma lawe, you react differently. Ungezothiwa utsho umntwana odokucela impuphu izolo senitshonile usungothutsha usuthwele 20,000 suthwele, but mbuya ngikhuluma la ukuthi Ganethi uyayilahla awune even i10 rand, kwenziwa kuyini so ngifuna sikhayele izinto zonke lezi majenzi, because engubone into le imfuni I think likhuluma eBhayibheli, I think it's there in the Bible also. Angikwazi kwasto I'm sure le mic ilekhuzeni mfuna wena umphendula umbuzo lo. There's a scripture in the Bible where angikwazi kwakufubani uthi emfeni yakhona umuntu wathi I saw the Lord.
Ezekiel.
Isaiah. When King Uzziah died, then I saw the Lord.
That's the scripture. I say
Isaiah.
that's the scripture I was looking for. So esikhathini esiningi kungaba lo monakalo, you tend to see positivity coming out of that. Mfuna siqalise ngakhona la.
Yeah, yabona into khona lapho uhlobo bambenya indaba ukuthi most of the times people, they don't relate football with our day-to-day lives, but it affects and 100% yabikhona. Ungananzelela into ekhuluma into eqhakathekileyo, especially ngasikhuluma futhi I go back to men's health or mental health or anyone else's health, whereby ngaba le problem mina ngihambe ku Ganethi, and we always say open up, and I open up to Ganethi. Ganethi uyacabanga ukuthi maybe njani ngezinye indlela zokuthi nginjani lami ngiphomba umkhona ngithola uncedo kuye, but you will believe nxa sengizibophela bese ngifile bese kwenza something like that. That's where the problem is with people. We tend to rush to judge than to understand ukuthi umuntu umingaphi first and try and understand them. So that's where the problem is, ukuthi abantu abayamukeli into njengoba injalo, but bazathi sebebona uAshisibili becela impuphu beqinisile, usunkhona usugijima usithola ama 20,000 but awasancedi, usuzama ukubutha uchago soluchithekile. So I think there is a need to rectify the problem before it happens. You rather be duped but trying to help somebody else. I believe that way to be.
Yazi ngikhulunyiswa kwini iboys zistrike kakhulu, abafana abastrikeile, but after this tragedy mbone football fraternity, government, people coming together. So kunjela ethi bheka umabanga kwanjela ukuthi no man, as a people there's something wrong with us as a people, because the problem sayibona nanzi abantu laba ba strike, abantu laba baholi, kwenzakala into eziso, and no one is reacting. Understand? Abafana besikhuluma ngakho last episode benza ama memes ufaka ama eco-cash ukwenziweni, but now sesiku situation there, so it's telling me ukuthi football can really unite people if we want sifuna, and asikuthi imali zikhona. I want us to touch that first.
Yeah, inkinga ngisakhona bo futhi ngizagijima uphendula. Inkinga ukuthi ungananzelela even kunje, so wena ngobabazala izinto wena ngubaba lo ngumntana wakho masude besethatha umalukazana kamfazi kamasude besibabazala kuwe, you find out ukuthi khona uza kuhlonipha mzukwana osufile ikapaza qasa ukuqhiya khona egqoka ufaka uZambia mzukwazi emfeni yakho, but nxa uthi khona begijima ngekhanda egijima egqoka ama miniskirt phambi kwakho. So abantu sihlonipha imfa more than the real thing, sihlonipha the thing which is engasela ncedo to say maybe sorry nxa ukuthi khona kuza affect umuntu indlela engikhuluma ngayo, because even iBhayibheli yakhuluma umchumayeli uthi khona umuntu mayesefile akasazi lutho lokuthi bethanda kumbe kulabantwana ubunjani akazi lutho iconsider ukusela ncedo. So but ngazumenzeleni esefile akasakwazi ukuthi asho umthengele icoffin le1,000,000. So we rather do into umuntu esaphila ukuze sithole ukubongwa, sincedane sithole ukubongwa umuntu lapho, because isidumbu sikaMasudu isidumbu samasakwanisa ukubonga ngazungenzeleni, but mina ngiphila ngangenzela something even oke 10 cents ngizakwanisa ukubonga. So let's try by all means ukuthi singaqhakathekisi imfi, even ihlobo ziyaqalisa ukuthi papa suke eAmerica nxa sufile but nxa uphila azikwanisa ucela day off futhi sizokubona esibhedlela ukuthi ukwanisa ukunceda. So that's the problem ele human nature, we respect the dead more than they are alive.
Indaba le intintile kanye jasibambe ipress how that news was broken le wena mfuna sibambe ipress le PR team how everything was handled.
Mina kundaba ipress I think ibalenza lifaka kakhulu ku press ibalelithi ethics so abanye wethu ndala sebagijimela ukuthi umuntu obe ngokuqala ukuletha indaba ngingaqalela ngomunye umuntu kusho ukuthi mina ngisekho blind yabona sikhayela even yabona ama terms anika abaningi ungakhayela kathesi ndala endaweni ze journalism abantu abaningi ngama freelancer nxa freelancer usebenzela umuntu lapho ubuye khona lo msebenzi and ekoza hola khona uyabona so umuntu ufuna ukuya le story esichisayo efike sithi bhala phana and then umlungu ethabe and then bese sithi no Jake wena usibuyele le story esilethe traffic whether newspaper whether i-website kumbe ikuyini so nangu yabo so I think into esisibulele ukuthi asisakhangela ukuthi into yona le nxa sesiyenze ngendlela yona ukuthi sigijimisa ukuthi sihole o sigijimisa ukuba yithaba okuthiwa si blind ko affecta njani abanye emaceleni. So in this particular case you imagine la umntana uthi uzilalele endlini ulelo kwazi ukuthi umntana usespan i-team yadlala eKaripa ivela awukakhulumi lo mntwana maybe ugcina ukukhuluma la esithi no mfana msesiphenduka siyabuye ulale and then ekseni uvuke sokugcwele ku Facebook sokugcwele ku Twitter sokubhalwe kuma newspaper sokuze kulama video into yona lethi ngakulimaza njani kudala sasikwazi mdala ukuthi kungaba le relative ebhubhileyo very police efika uqala verify nxa ukuthi basuke bathola ama contacts ay family khonapho yikho lifonelwa khona ukuthi uyanini lizo identify isihlobo senu yabo but with this age yokuthi umuntu sekwanisa ukureporta ama tablet sekwanisa ukureporta on any platform Facebook WhatsApp ngapi I think kusuke kwalahleka ama ethics and kumele kulungisiswe khonapho. I'm sure bakhona abazafuna bakhona vele already abayidefendayo the way these things happen but I think silokulahla ama ethics
iphendela la ngithi ukhona ofuna uyithatha le masuthi anything to add from what Uganit is saying or do you have anything to add?
Yeah, I think we still remember when the news broke up until sikhuluma nje sixoxa nje groupini labana then and you said I still remember sithi kulokuzeni ku sports screen with ubuhle usithi khona ubuhle ufaka amahathi then I said ukuthi umelele ukuthi kuqala ku confirm kube official so that she can post and later on it was confirmed officially she posted. I think those are the ethics akhulumayo which she followed.
So pick up to sports screen.
So because she just put on ama broken hearts ukuthi she had something but she hasn't confirmed it yet and later she had to post it up. So I think ama ethics allow are right. However, the problems comes now ukuthi khona the age where we are now there is a need for the media commission to make people aware of ama-logs and ama-ethics akhulunywa ngayo. Not everyone did journalism. Thina katesi sibelieve katesi like ngikakhuluma ukuthi khona ngalifica lesilo lo masuthi ngalilamuli futhi ngiqale ngithatha ipicture ngithatha ivideo ngibukele senza sendilamula. So i-media commission has got a big role to make ama-awareness campaign. Look at it izesi ukuthi yenza njani. Izesa it tells you ukuthi khona if ungathola intambo iwile treat it as a live wire regardless of whatever. That's what we are taught. Akula muntu obombi ofica intambo ezesayithinta sonke singayibona iwile sebalekela because of what
ithinto
luhlanya ngoba sihlezi sifundiswa ukuthi khona ungathinti intambo lezana. That's what zesadaza ngithi. So imedia if they do the same thing ngali ngabona izinto you can take ama pictures akho agcine nxa ufuna for lokuzenini then after verification you can post because being the first and being the last as long as you are correct you are all the same. doesn't change anything else. The only thing is that you are all correct. You're saying the right thing, but nxa ukuthi la msengivuka because inhliziyo zethu zichiyene. Asiyo into abafana mina njengamanandaba uthi ngizwe njani. I can accept anything. But uma suthi ngaze accept njengami uganete ngaze wena sichiyene sesingaba le mfezi imbili ngenxa into enjalo because ikubona kudala wasinqambe utha nxa kufiwe befike beqale bekuhage bekwethusele sebeza kutshela after bekwethisela so forth and so forth. So I think iMedia Commission has the role to play on these ethics ezikhulunywa uganete.
So angazi masuthi maybe you've got something to add or subtract from what the guys are saying.
No, basha but abakutshoyo khona ku right because imedia layo ngabantu abaku competition abasayenza into ngo according to but sebenza into ngo competition ukuthi mina kwamele ngenze better than omunye umuntu. So someone loku competition angeke umkhangelele ukuthi angenza into ngendlela nje because u competition. But I will get back to you ukuthi when King Uzziah died then I saw the Lord. iBhayibheli lithi all things work together for a good. Madoda ngeke sikubalekele. Yonke into nje yenzakala ngesizathu to those who love the Lord.
Exactly.
So whatever that is bad but ungakhangelela wena ngolunye uhlobo uzokuza kududuza ukani ukuthi but kwenzakale ngani
ngabakwazi.
Yabo. So ngeke sithi ukuthi sithrow ithaweli sithi what all things work together for a good to those who love the Lord. Ngithanda iBhayibheli to those who love the Lord
you are called for his purpose. So
ngeke umzekeliso remember imfa engikhulume ngayo abo Blessing Makonike. Those days social media
engaphaphila kakhulu.
Engabi I think engabi khona kahle kahle.
Yayikhona but abantu babengela
abantu abanikela ama access in terms of press coverage ngendlela abakhava ngayo that incident that accident we compare la le or no it's different times different eras. Understand? To you how was the coverage to all of how was the coverage both mainstream media labantu ama social media laba ama bloggers esikukhuluma because mboya ku angle yokuthi abantu kwaba le uqinisa ukusiba le upro sokukhohlakale umbali o indlela abade bekubeka ngayo ngombali kimi kunjezela ukuthi into enkulu esingane sesiyishort esingalayo ibuntu.
That's true. Eske sakhuluma ukuthi kona nxa likhuluma ama ethics that's the same thing you're referring to ubuntu.
Asela
ubuntu aselabo in a sense ukuthi like umasuthi if scripture sebenze eqineni all things work for good to those who are called regarding ukuthi wena ufuna ukuthatha on which regarding to which side. Now there is this guy in Manicaland obehamba ngemota yakhe imshikashika ezethola labantu phezulu kwemota ubotshiwe wabhadaliswa $600 fined. Konke lokhu kusuke ngemedia nale esetshenziswa ngabantu ukuthi baphumba ukuthatha
befaka
abantu phezulu. Right, that one became good because akula muntu ofileyo. The thumbs up to him uyenze kuhle ngithi now laba asebethethe bayazisa abantu nginqathi kulabantu abafileyo sokukubi. You understand? So kuya ngokuthi ukuthatha njani ngasiphi isikhathi because everything works for good. However it regards ukufuna ube kwazi ukuthi kona ethically nxa ngisenza so I'm trying to make people aware of the dangers athwele ngulo muntu othwele abantu leso kuyingozi yokufa. Impact ethwele ingozi yokufa inganani le impact ethwele ngilwana ongayabulala abantu phambili. There are two different impacts nxa uhamba nxa mbisi good news le mbisi bad news ukuchiyena. So nxa usisa lapha okwenza ngantwala yabo makunika ibanga effect kakhulu is because data was not that cheap like now kade singathengi lo smart for you la nxa izaphuza idrag about information I can get for the rest of the month in the data lapha nasithenga mbijana idata kwakunzima so ukuze kufike kwenganto akuphuzile but the effect is the same. So I think impact yakhona iyafanana but kuya ngokuthi i-cause ngenjani ngengozi kumbe nge-awareness yikho kangani kulomehluko khona ngobona kwami.
Hey kune
endaweni yobuntu khonapho you know uma sutha ekhulumile ukuthi vele i-competition
ngifuna simuve lokunye ngifuna sikubambe
ungakhangela I can't say much ngezikhathi zabo makunike because bengakabi out there
mntwana
yeah but ngifuna
isikokuni kwasicoka jekele
but ngifuna ukwenza example ukuthi even ngakathe so ngakhala the traditional media the way akade be reporta ngayo abantu akade bephangisa ukushesha ukukhipha ama details kakhulu you know ngama tabloids but the traditional media I think they still stuck to ama even kungathiwa izifa iwile yakhipha 20,000 bekuqala ngathi thina
esifaki ungenzi
bekuqala ngami
ngithi no imali the actual man
alright anti izifa iwile yafaka 10,000
ngifuna ukuspeak on ngoba wathi
so but ungananzelela ukuthi the traditional media houses esizaziyo eziningi ziqalisa ukubhala imbayimbayi intambama but vele kusene lapha izifa izofaka imali bese sikwazi sekulabantu ade sebekhulumile you know so into esisikhulumayo ukugcizelela indaba kaMasuthu ukuthi i-competition umuntu ufuna ukuthi twa mina emengiqala ukukhuluma indaba ukuthi abakwazi there is you know kule psychological impact omunye umuntu uzakwamukela ngendlela engayisiyo so kufuna a professional okwazi ilanguage yokufika edeliver a certain ndaba in a certain situation ukuthi nxa wona okwazi ukuthi angazi ukuthi yakwazi but nxa uhambe news start ungafika utest nxa positive kule ndlela vele abazakutshela abakutsheli ba ukuthi a member ya brand yabo so kathesa kusekho
kanye ukuthi uqedelela ngendlela okufaka ngayo ngikhulume ngiyangakubuza nge-PR ye team
yeah
i-communication ye team
I think mina ngicabuza mina phezulu
mbuza wena phezulu
ekuqaliseni ngingabaxolela sithi maybe because basho
that rift
and kodwa
everything nje comes ye team
yeah kodwa sikhayela ukuthi this is a constitution singakayi elsewhere corporate iposeno is supposed to be a corporate angazi bona bazikhangela njalo but it's a constitution okumele be lama structures in place you know sike sawuxoxa off record anyway be it government be it company be it ngapi you know in case of into ezinje sozabe zenzakele there are always measures ukuthi how do we react kwenzakala njani but vele in this time kumele PR vele public relations abantu be communications yibantu omele kuqala vele bemake sure ukuthi ngabantu abasendaweni besinike bebenika abantu information eyiyo ngesikhathi you know
biko mbuya khona lapho so Masuthu usasekhona lapho uzakaphenduka PR communication ye team are you happy ngendlela inews ezibuya ngayo eteamini kumbe izinto lani lizizwa setfanana lathi sesizizwa phandle sekuyi general knowledge are you happy nge-communication ye team mbani vele PR webos
thina we are not happy about because wonke umuntu uyazireportela nje wonke umuntu uyafasha uphela news which means kuleleke kumbe akula system khona ukuthi umganetha akula structure kwa islanders kumbe loba sikhona structure but sifile total so we are not happy at all because everybody we are just your flash or whatever ekufuna uya flash.
I think on this regard especially for this funeral mina lami njengoganetha I think ngabaxolela because ngesikhathi kusenzakala it was around past 8 to 9 and most people they would have retired off to bed retired.
No, I'm not talking about only this issue.
But ngisakhuluma on this one ukuthi khona on this issue ukuthi la ngabe phuzile and futhi you need to verify as well afterwards but yona basically i-comms yakhona is not proper sometimes baphambanisa amalogo team benze njani baphambanisa ukuthi ezifu into ukuthi bathethe ku AI bayenza basenda and nxa kungayisibo why benga come back to the lokuzenini abantu bethi khona no this is bekudinaya sokwethu lokho so khona kana it shows ukuthi khona baphambanisa njalo yaninye esike sayilungisa ethi bhala khona siyahleka which is not right sinqaba siyahleka ubona zama ukuthi bethu silahlekile which is wrong so I think kuyakufuze kuphenduke back and rectify those problems because ama problems ayenzakala ebantwini kuyaunderstandeka but nxa ungasa rectify ngaso kanti wayenze ngabo.
So I'll point one thing specific ubukhuluma ama-poster you know ukuthi iflyer le program eligcina lipostwa on the official Islanders page liqala uku-circulate elsewhere vele lingakapostwa ku-WhatsApp channel lingakapostwa ku-Facebook.
Suhle waphendula umbuzo ebengibekile ubuthi ubendebe uqedise kona.
So I think indaba lapha ku-communications le PR lapha I think abantu baba caught off guard baba reacta than ukuthi bebe proactive you know yibo mele behlale very nxa liphumile iposta lelana lihle ihambe office ye PR befike becheck konke ku right ku right hayi nxa kuqala kusendula ama journalists is fine ama journalists vele ngayi 1 minute 2 minutes ama contacts ngabe lawo and then sokufaka kuma official platforms our team umuntu ahambe ethatha khona ngale nothi kube ngani yona Islanders sithethe ama poster from thina
exactly
esizenzele yona because ungakari program lana ilama graphics more than one it's fine sokule graphic elinye libuye kathesi selile logo ineli white black and white lahlala kuhle but vele kuqala kwa circulator ele AI and of which futhi bebeli postile la yabona so I think going forward nje from lapha nami kathesi sizaxolelana ngoba isikhathi esinzima asikaze nxelo
and the lokhu kanethan and also to the viewers amfunisa ukukhuluma ukukhangelele eThailanders kuphela
all the teams
it can happen to any institution you understand any football institution any institution outside also ilokuzini football but since we are a football platform thina sakhuluma ukwaziyo kwebhola you understand then there was a issue in outcry also engibona abantu abanye abasebethinga abanye sebenjani angazi ukuthi i-clarify also it will also lead us to e-coms the team we saw Poche Mkandla I think it was what 24 hours later
less than
24 hours
because we go around 4-5
yeah
24 hours was 3
hours later less than 24 hours later sebe announce ama interim ama replacements of the three. How did we see that the whole situation sizama ukuyi-unpack nje ngendlela esikubona ngayo lendlela okwenzakala ngayo lendlela okumele ukuthi ngabe ukwenzakala ngayo I'm sure kwaso sithole ukuthi omakuni ke wonile ba
2004 ngangqoka ikhaki ba
boys so let's try and unpack this scenario ama replacements
for me if there is any fault if voting ngayifaka ku process ego appointa this interim like ufaka yabona like I said it's an institution ilama structures sokubhujiwe kathesi in the abantu abapopulayo most probably ngabantu ababe phambili in terms of ukwenza ama decisions or ukusayina bid documents you know ukuthatha izimali emabhenki you know izinto ezinjalo angikho sure ukuthi kwakulungiselelo yini ukuthi if in case bengahamba bonke be3 kawana I'm sure ukuthi akula umuntu ade khangelela umuntu ebekhalete enxeko ngathiwa uchairman engasweleka vice nguyo elevator so for la be3 angikho sure ukuthi babelungiselela ukuthi kungahlele kanjalo but so nxa sesifike khona lapho yise isikhathi sokuthi nxa kade singalungiselelanga aso decision yomuntu oyane yokwenza ukuthi all right fine asenze so kumele kuhlalwe phansi sibe kwazi ukuhlalwe phansi kwakhulunywa lozibani wathi and then decide savumelana ukuthi asiqhubekeni ngendlela le uchairman asibe sifake lo uvice asibe
so you see ukuthi it leads back to e-coms
exactly asibanga le communication yalethi nasaphonga utshela ukuthi sokunje
okay yeah right I think mina ngizazama ukuphendula ngisebenzisa the constitution of Zimbabwe. According to the constitution of Zimbabwe, in the event that the president dies, the last acting president becomes the president. When they all die, the three of them, minister, who's the highest minister, becomes the president. When they also die, the speaker of parliament becomes the president. According to the constitution. So now I think according to the constitution, I think they should have
I think it's there.
they should have a way of doing things. So into very ehlezi khona nxa sokusenzakala sokuthiwa khona kathi ulokuze no speaker of parliament indaba sengupresident uhambe njani kanti vele into evele ehlezi yahlelwa yilokuze nini constitution evele because like esiqazini ngakho manje sonke sizakufa. We all know that. So it is very important ama institutions nxa isenza ama constitutions abo bengabalekeli effect yokuthi wonke umuntu uzakufa. Bekufake in case of death, in case of ukuthi khona ibuilding collapse sonke siphakathi lapha safa. Kuyenzakala ukuthi sife sonke sikhona lapha, who is going to take over the business? So those are the things afuze ehlezi ekhona kuma constitution ethu. Ukwenza ukuthi singafanani le case enje ukuthi sesibona nganto khona is now a one man show. Because nxa ukuthi akukho constitution, it becomes a one man show. Nxa kukhona ku constitution, we say thumbs up.
Sutman.
I think like
You understand?
ufiso wengele ebantwini but engakusho khona okusho ngubutho olonkaneti abantu vele always abahlale bele structure yabona ukuthi if ungayenzakala kufubani ngoba lonke cause lento eyenzakale kubona abantu besolile even la kuma social media ukuthi laba livuke lizenzela nje without even consulting yamalokuzeni.
Exactly, mfuna sifike silungisise khona lapha ukuthi kwenzakale ngendlela eyiyo yini so that we correct abantu labana besithi ku wrong nxa uthi ku right then
iqiniso la kwenzakala ngendlela eyiyo cause ubutho njengoba esithi ukuthi according to bekungela structure bekungela structure laba bazenzele ngokuncwebana indlebe bona ngokwabo umkandla kwethu
yikho incarnate
so and lapha sithe asikabe kwasi constitution yebhoso it's in this situation.
Pastor, are you getting something? Uthatha mic lapho usincedise.
Ubutho ukhulume something about constitution elizwe ukuthi nxa kungahamba umkhokheli labanye adumele bemreplace ngesikhathi ehamba osele ele office ehayi ngesikhathi sona lesi and nguye osehamba kuba umkhokheli lapha. So ngikhangela ukuthi in this case we had a CEO already but the interim CEO and then nguyese ngo-chair. So nxa kuyikuthi balandele njalo kungabe kumake sense kodwa nxa kuyikuthi i-constitution ayisikho ekutshoyo kusho ukuthi ngomunye umuntu osukume wazenzela yena ama decisions akhe yedwa
i-executive yelenda zibili abantu abangu-3 kubena anti kulo secretary abesele so u-secretary phezu ka-CEO
yabona so
yiko babazenzile
amfuni singela ama-facts kwasitozi usinike
sisadinga ama-facts ngomthetho sibili ngiyasiyaphikisana ngakho before lokana lami sithi baphangisile sa-research ukuthi ngomthetho of any institution it is within 24 to 48 hours kufuze kwese kufakwe in-interim report ezaba khona until the next election. So laphana bayenze kuhle but i-selection yesingakwazi bayenze
kahle. I think yabe something.
Yeah, from what I'm getting here is after the passing of the chairman, the vice chairman, and the treasurer, the board met and appointed an interim leadership. What the board did was according to the constitution. Some analysis also proves which everything so far has been done according to the Highlanders Football Club constitution.
So say thumbs up.
So to say thumbs up. Until community
the problem ekhona
asiyazi because yes but he's a member So it's now showing me something.
Yawazi ukuthi mina ngathi balandele constitution 24 to 48 hours thumbs up but ama-appointments and until sibamba i-constitution siyibale so
alama appointments uqansa njani ku-secretary ku-committee member u-committee member, the purpose of a committee member in the event that akula chairman akula bantu nguye oba ngu-chairman so uyiqo njani ngusiko khona phana kungazwisisa ngakhona lapho
kule issue enye esingadiscussa uthatha i-call sayisaba lemganweni chapter la they seem to have knowledge and but mbona ama chapters e-island asebenza yini ama chapters Masuthu ama chapters umganweni chapter card chapter
something that is coming up here if the board appointed the CEO who is an employee and not an elected executive member as interim chairperson, that would likely require a very clear constitutional provision. Without such authority, the appointment could be challenged as being outside the board's powers. If, however, the appointment was only to coordinate the administrative operations during the emergency, not to exercise all constitutional powers of an elected chairperson, it may be easier to justify.
Okay, you could take one up to the morning time. You could take morning time. So there's intense.
Bafake it for 2 weeks.
For morning time.
Chairman, President we chapter. Chairman.
Foul out.
Alright, use PF alright. Amana siqhube ngohlelo besifuna ukufaka ehlelweni lapha uthuse PF. Amana siqhube ngohlelo but sizazama ukuthi simthinte awulokhuze phela butho I said this is going to be a different show ngco unithindele usavereza bengisabuza amajita ngama chapters because lama members nxa kuma ama chapters lama members as well ukuthi ale effect yini ku Islanders because if the board I believe ukuthi board yabiqhathwa ngama members do they know the happenings of the club. This goes out to wonke ama football clubs even elizweni but ilisho lethu likuluwa ilinda kathi umfoni usavereza ukuthi sizwe ukuthi kwenzakalani umfake kula uthi lesinikwa ama updates nje okuncane okuse BF before we move on. We've got something.
I've got something regarding that. Regarding the board of directors.
Hello? Good. Ushab.
Right.
Si ku podcast lapha sifuna update ukuthi ukuhamba njani eBF la.
Kade 7 basa ni speech lapha malokhu zeli.
Kunjani attendance?
But attendance, how is the attendance?
Hayi, ku right. Banengi abantu.
Khuluma savereza ulokhu ze kula uspeaker ndoda sikuzwe.
Kodwa abantu banengi ukuthi ngathi busy man.
Kanje esikoropa that's Savereza online is near ama updates eBF siyabonga Savereza uthi abantu baningi ukujenzela abantu baphumile ngokuningi ubusithini kwasithoza
But as far as the board of directors is concerned, which is also known as Abadala, under the constitution, the board is the club's highest strategic governance body. It is not elected directly by the membership. Board members are appointed from experienced life members and distinguished individuals who have rendered outstanding service to the club and are later presented to members for ratification. So I think Minalapa kungalimita ukuthi the leader of our chapters, given how do you consider ukuthi i-service yakhe outstanding okungakanani
ama life members
yabo I think iko lapho mina okungani akukho clear for me.
Hey
no into le ngako ngathiwa sibili sokuhlezi phansi lapha sokuxoxisana. I think board can only get away with it ngama technicalities nje sokuphoyinta ukuthi lapha la lapha into one thing engiyibonile so far that I picked ukuthi even if singaphoyinta ukuthi uzibani nguyosukume wayenza so kodwa akukho right but umuntu lo uconsultile consultile legally sibili ukuthi
they're supposed to have minutes of the consultants.
No, iko mucho they're supposed to have minutes but singabuya le point yona le ikona i point yena zascounta ngayo uyabona so konje ukuthi usukumile waconsulta nxa uthathe ufuna ukuganga uhambile sibili kule wathi lawyer semfuna ukuganga but nxa sebenga-attack lapha nzayenzana lawyer wamtshela ukuthi no uzathi so ka yabona ngumuntu abeyenza into abekwazi ingabackfire kodwa uyakwazi ukuthi nxa ungabackfire yazimela njani.
And the other thing we have to understand that those guys have been there for some time. They understand ama loopholes amaningi into ezinto constitution. So that is why ubona umfaka wathi kona it's for the morning period. Ngesikhathi abantu bekhala I understood ukuthi kona engafaka somebody else uzabe se challenge
ama ku constitution okwe morning period.
I think so.
You think
I think I like what you said to for a certain stipulated time. I think so it makes sense.
Okay. Sesivala kungabe kukhona yini okunye esikuchile because kuningi okwenzakile during isikhathi sonke lesizefika nabo kungabe kukhona okunye esikuchile because there is only
maybe into kalokuze nini ngingazimbe sengisakhuluma ngakho the bereaved people abantu ababhubhileyo we have seen ukuthi in each and every space nxa ungumyanga you are not even recognized most of the times, especially umbali is from the hierarchy kusuka phezulu kuzokuyefika phansi like kuthi into etshengisa ukuthi empilweni thina abantu sikhangelana nokuthi wena ulani nxa ungela lutho asubone njengomuntu so like njenge-animal farm sinje siwazifanani singalimala sonke sikhona lapha sithole uncedo maybe from let's say maybe the organization top 3 events they will give us imali ngendlela etshiyeneyo
but ila kibhezi yasifanani sakhela so pick up to like ibhezi yasifanani
mina nguphendule kona ukuthi mina mbola okwambali kube fair baba 100% kube fair
njani baba
in a way ukuthi butho kulento okwayifaka la ugroup ungafa ukusemplane lo president doesn't make you a hero baba doesn't make you a hero baba when a picture
doesn't
make you a hero baba
it's reality
let's be realistic right
it's reality
umbali yabona kulento ayi blessing in disguise umbali now is recognized kulabantu abaningi kade bengamazi umbali but abantu abaningi besibazi umhlophe besibazi office cause sibekwazi basebenza ngapha njalo office bebengakakhulu
understand
so don't expect umbali ukuthi simfake in a position yona leyana ukuthi la simrecognize hayi bafethu
ngiyabuza into echo what I'm talking about mostly is ilokuze nini la nxa ukuthi khona she's not the same in the same category those people understand what you're saying but who feel in the same incident and the announcement sebeqala mention after the outcry of abantu
there's a reason khona pa there is a reason khona pa
ungakhululi why
ukuthi abantu sayibaleke iqiniso abantu mase befile baba
exactly khuluma iqiniso fa
zwana kuthele abadala babe bechadile baba asingeke sikubaleke la nje so there is a reason bethi hayi lo ube i-passenger manje cause bayakwazi ukuthi bangadalo ube hamba lo bani so ngaphambanisa imendo so ngaphambanisa umfundisi usazi bekhuluma into yabo so iqiniso baba la uyazazela la mnyazazela labaleleyo bayazazela ukuthi umbala bawe ngena nga manje
khonoko asiku anti exactly that's true what you say
so there is no way ukuthi bebe ngama-honest awumbali ube khona but omunye umama out there ubekhuza ukuthi wena baba uhambile umbali
anyamuza basuthi elikhuluma njengomuntu ukhuluma ukhuluma njengomuntu omdala I said to our viewers this is going to be a different show but I'm happy ukuthi we're trying to tackle all these issues at once and into engithabele I said it before siqala ukuthi football unites
kakhulu
we saw all the teams we saw
did well.
We understand that we saw our football fraternity coming together
for one cause.
You understand that? Which is ibora very liyabambanisa.
Opponents on the pitch.
Even government also coming on board. Everyone matching.
Given the state assisted funerals.
You understand?
We appreciate that.
We appreciate and kuyabonga to pick up to that. Bemfuna ukuthi sikhulume ngama ethics lobuntu going forward. Ama issues nje ukuthi abantu ba striker abantu abaholi so kunje asikwakhangelenini siwathathe exactly ngendlela njengabantu esithatha ngayo izimvo. I think to me sesivala indlela enza thanda ukuthi imvale ngayo ukuthi asithatheni all issues umuntu engaba le problem nxa kuvuma ukuthi asibambaneni sisolve inkinga kaMasudi solve inkinga kaGanethi nxa sinje so asibambaneni nje si solve any problem understand and nxa uyi problem ngoba siyawazi affecta abafana who are heroes to our kids who are heroes to many people you understand Sunday ibeef yabigcwele abafana labana but benza abantu abani bebe happy let's come together guys igovernment yabisizwa izifa yabisizwa everyone is hearing abantu ababaholi if kuvuma ubuntu buvuma asizamenini ukunceda singareacti sokulento umonakalo onjengalo lo mina into endlela engathanda uvala angathi ungayivala njani moving on to amanye ama topics esilawo sesikhangele wonke lama results
abantu bayanceda baba abantu kungena kwabo kophala bebe ngama 10,000 babencedile baba it's only that kuphela imali iyabe soyijojo hayi baba sincede njani abantu sincede njani manje thina ukunceda kwethu ukuthi just to help you mawule shop yakho ukuthi ngibuye ngizothenga kuwo
thank you
then thina siyanceda sacrifice ama $5 ethu uze ngibe le $5 nyabe nisebenze 5 days lokho ngigqokhelela $dollar sembuya ngelokho uze nincedile khona pha but lingaceli futhi usizo kithi yiko ngikutshelela ukuthi lokhana kuyafana ukuthi ngudrip esibhedlela ngu-ICU ufika unyomula ama drip wayicela kimi imali hayi
because ndala ufuna ukulokuza kuMasudi lapha
Awukwani manje wena sukusibe
ukubikiza ukuthi yabuya
ama supporters ayelendazi mdala one group yabantu mdala engayibona more than willing ukuthi you know ukuthi ngabe khuluma islogan lesasokuthi ubuhle bebhoso ngabalandeli bayo there's one point umuntu akakhuluma khona ukuthi kungaba njani ukuthi sikhiphe konke ama sponsors elibabhale ejezini lapha sibe yithi sisponsor yalendazi thina I remember yalendazi izifayinwe was it last season or 2 seasons back ama supporters athi iPSA ekofe asi eBF imali adome isiphatala ngazo eBF sesiyangena eClub House isiphatale lapana imali ingene straight esikwameni seteam iteam ihambe yobhadala ama fine uyabona so ama supporters in terms of ukusupporta iteam endaweni zemali ukuthi abafana behle
Thomas
right ama supporters they are more than willing
sivale
yeah izindebele sithi umntwana ongakhaliyo ufele embelekweni mina nginje ngilenkinga engilazo but nxa ngakhuluma ngaso zebe kwasini lenkinga abantu abemazi bekhuluma inkhasi yakawula ilizwi lakhe alilamsoco ukwedlulela endikhulumayo mina yikho kwenzakala kwalendazi abafana beyalendazi bathi bekhala ukuthi abaholi but executive bethule so nxathi ithule usizo lakhona luba nzima ukuthi lutholakala so I want to believe ukuthi khona kufuze ukuthi nxa silenkinga njengakhona ehlezi sikhuluma ngakho singakhuluma then siyathola usizo sasizakala abantu beyalendazi ama supporters alendazi are always willing to help and they can assist in any form they can and they're always willing to do that. I've seen that ama supporters alendazi doing that bebhadala imali kaMduwa bebhadala imali kaMbewa bebhadalani I've seen them doing it so abantu bakwanisa ukusupporta though the outside world they will need ukuthi bezwe ilokuze nini executive ikhuluma sometimes akuyangisa ukuthi ukhuluma ukuthi khona nisebunzimeni kuyathola usizo la nxa abantu bengakuhleka nhlezi ngikhuluma ukuthi bazakuhleka but asuziswele wethu ozakunceda and lo zakunceda yakuchaphisa umfula
so right competition is still running remember open a Lucky Base account at luckybase.co.zw place a $5 bet through EcoCash, Omari and Inbox. Stand a chance to win a chicken in a replica. We're giving this every day. We're giving replicas every day, guys. Go to video account to get the I think he posted this a bit flight on. Also, if you're watching this podcast for the first time, please remember to like, subscribe, share, and engage us in the comments in the comment section. Our lovely family engaging us in the comment section, viewing. Good we appreciate you so much. Gents, we saw midweek fixtures before midweek fixtures iwindow lokhu elivuliwe kule issue ka Magalane hayi le ayingichazile Magalane mbona uMagalane which other transfer engichazile that happened also during the course of the week le because Magalane was my highlight ngiyolokhe stand out lapha ekhanda
Khambana ethanda ukukhuluma ngeChief Cornerstone.
Masuthu I'm sure uzangena kule uzabugeza kule so singakhangela midweek fixtures
Yeah.
because I think sibambe izinto
Singakhale indaba le kuzenini eka Prince le ukuthi unomitwa as the man of the match.
yeah sizabamba ukuthi igame yabo I think let's look at ama midweek fixtures ngendlela adlale ngayo ama results ungaba lawo eduze iGarnet
Ama results midweek.
ama midweek fixtures sile sithi khala because I know ukuthi aqalise ngeTuesday yan match day 25 Mosley Platinum Stars Ian edlala Tuesday
Match day lapha match day 24 wami uqala ama games adlalwa ngeWednesday. Igame yadlalwa ngeTuesday AFC Platinum lan kanje.
le Moz
No Tuesday bakuyi rentals eManika Dam.
Rentals eManika
Just a minute ngiyothola that.
Kwaye rentals eManika
Right, match week 24 iSimba Bora Lemos
Ama results amanye la engelanga eTuesday. So iSimba Bora draw 2-2 Lemos. And then iChicken in yachate 1-1 new. And then iZPC Kariba yachaya Islanders 1-0. And then FC Platinum yadliwa 1-0 iDynamos.
rentals yadla iLokhuzeni iManika Damos ngeTuesday 1-0 last minute
And then iScotland yachaya iBulawayo Chiefs 2-1.
2-1 coming from behind
Coming from behind.
Island Barian
Islanders yachaya iZPC Kariba
1-0
1-0.
I think kule fixture ekabutho ngene ngiyagama ephakathi kweviki oyibambile feeling like busy that time of the show ama predictions then coming into the weekend fixtures there was only one game Saturday iyo Platinum le Moz whereby we saw Moz defeating iPlatinum 2-0 kunzima laphana mbone elinye poster ama supporters ePlatinum sebesithi uJoga chai phansi results have not been coming for FC Platinum Jensi one win in 9 games
same Ledge Capes 1 win in 9 games
one win in 9 games ama supporter they are up in arms they are not happy
kunzima uJove guys sebedlale kakhulu abantu uJove sedlale kakhulu 9 games 1 win
so they
mbona ama budget gcwala umoya uJove
kunzima kakhulu
umasuthi uthi lapha uJose sengachaya phansi ngoba supporters they are not happy nje
hayi Platinum ithi yakwanisa ukubekezela but
iyafana le chicken ngiyathanda indlela so then Sunday izolo kube nama games amaningi
Manika Diamonds won 1-0 ku Triangle Simba Bora 1 Agama 2
igame yakho lena obuyisho
Hunters 0 Renters College 1 Bulawayo Chiefs 1 ZPC Kariba 0 Tail 1 Capes United 0 Ngezi Platinum 1 Hard Rock 2
so those are the results awayizulu sibone iLokhuzeni ilokhu ithatha shape lapha then bemfuna ukubuza i-postponement Islanders match the chicken in was it a good move
yes
It was.
it was
so sharp lapha napomele because I've seen emazweni things happen igame idlalo abantu begqoka ambindi amnyama minute of silence we move on
yeah lapha ke kufika umuntu eyi1 khathesi lapho kufa abantu abangu-4 at once and kuya-affecta psychological njengoba nangomunye namhlanje uhleka lokukhuluma kona so
uyakhuluma uvukile amuzwanga wena so ilo gate ilokhuzweni iyadrop ivalile igap lapha
nge-4 points
sithiwa nge-4 points ilokhuzweni iScotland even iScotland behambe yadlala ifriendly yabo lana uyibona ifriendly yabo uyibona njani?
Yeah, Scotland, but they mean business. They lost, but they try to play better football. I think they're going to compete in the Champions League. They're going to try.
Okay, so gents, let's look at the upcoming fixtures. Oh, before that, issue ga Magadana sigayibambile, issue ga Prince. Egemini ya draw kule lengezi. Prince scored a beautiful goal. We saw Gerard Takwara scored the winner. Then there was an incident whereby Sebenika Prince man of the match, Lucky Pets man of the match. Prince what I mean, I lay man of the match. I see man of the match. Gerard man of the match. Ubona njani into yena ja?
Yabona inking ekhona ipopularity. People they no longer select man of the match because of ukudlala kuhle, but like yakhumbula lena kwayini kulokuzenini uda ukwelenders
awungathi engeke ngamnika
wamqhubelayo wena.
Thank you. Clarify on that ubaluleka
yanikwa udaka ma-journalist right. Well, after that even ezikhuluma nama-journalist namhlanje amangala ngitholile kuzeni man of the match I wasn't up to my standard. Iplayer liyazizwa lo ukuthi adlala ngakuhle, so yena la ubabe khangela ukuthi mbani ochovile egemini, and most of the times the problem ukuthi sicabanga ukuthi umuntu ohlohlileyo nguyi-man of the match, kumbe ureach abantu iboilers la phela is becomes the man of the match, but kulama defining moments like ake ubone you ama-players. That is why Prince did what he did. So it's a wake up call to the journalists ukuthi khona angasingakhangeleni umuntu ibizo lakhe ngubani, asikhangele nini ukuthi man of the match who deserves it. Ukuhlohla doesn't necessarily mean you're going to be the man of the match. Ukureach abantu 90 minutes doesn't mean to be player of the match, but the person who's going to define the match, let them be given on merit so that they won't tarnish the image of Lucky Pets.
Uvumelana naye?
Yeah, mvumelana layo, but eka Prince lana lo Gerard Takwara mina I've seen it happen kaningi even eEurope.
So it shows ukuthi ama-selectors akhona ngale.
No, akabe ngasiko khona lo. Ngifuna ukukayela I want to play devil's advocate ngokukayele endaweni ukuthi you know sometimes it's just out of love yabo. Umuntu abebonile ukuthi no but mvotele ama-fans alanto engayenza
umvotele ngoba
mvotele whoever mvotele akulanto engayenza, but according to mina mbonana no umjito wami lo uchovile, you know. I think bakwenza nje out of uthando not
ukumotivate
not ukuthi umbe bazama ukuthi ovotele akabonisisi kahle, you know.
Ule anything
sometimes
on that issue?
Yeah, mina mbamba amagama ka Prince uthe ibuzwa i-journalist lana wathi uGerard deserves it. Deserves it. So kunokhana kusho something ukuthi of course sesingakubala ukuthi kuma journalist khona kwabe ngalo Prince ubabonisile ukuthi ma teacher indlela yenza ngayo umsebenzi is not good.
I see.
Yeah, I see you. But uPrince yena ngokwakhe ubonile ukuthi umuntu omela deserve lokho izenze ngulo.
And okunye singakhohlwa the same way esithi urefu ehleke ukwenza umsebenzi wakhe is the same way lawo ama-players abona ukuthi labo abehleke lo umsebenzi. So
but overall we happy nge-initiative Lucky Pets. Lucky Pets 100% clean.
No 100% Lucky Pets ayingeneli indawo. Ayingeneli indawo. Siyaqhuba into zayo. Yeah, is they honor their promise.
100%.
We don't choose.
Hey, siyabonga Lucky Pets.
We don't choose. We honor our promise. We promise $200. Nansi $200. Liyazikhethela umuntu wenifuna simnike. Asizikhethele. So they don't have any problem. Nxa bekanyana bakanyane bodwa khona ngale thina imali sekanjani?
Sibuyini. Then Masud, Chief Cornerstone. Ukanye ukhulume ngayo lapho ukuthi into le kuyincane. uMagalani i-transfer sibonile during the course of the week semuvele kubulawayo Chiefs, which was a good move anyway for kubulawayo Chiefs because bebe the crisis kubo keeper uma triple zantu wadi man bathatha uMagalani Magalani first game clean sheet baba. I-Chiefs iwinile 1-0. Ayikhona i-clean sheet lana ngizwe egroupini abantu besithi uGorelo blind ngoba usave i-team i-situation the team lapho dikhona wasave i-team 3 points i-team ngani isumile uthini ngale i-Caps ibokoziwe 1-0
lokhu ibokozwa
uyazi ukuthi singanazele scripture lapha sisilahla khona abafundisi abaningi
abasitshiyelela khona sishaye sonke futhi
kuthiwa the chief cornerstone that the builder
the stone
rejected which means sabe si rejectwa ngama builders
the stone
not ngomlimi
not uNkulunkulu
kunezinto ezilahlwa ngabantu ezingalahlwa ngomlimi so labana balahle umuntu balahle uMagalani ngenxa yokuthi bebe ngama builders yakhe but ngenxa yokuthi bangama builders balahla but the fact ukuthi umlimi ukhona bheka ukuthi unga
kanti sibuyele futhi eBhayibhelini uJona uqonda ngapha eNinive fuze eTarshish umkhumbi usungani uyatshona ngenxa kaJona sebemjikele elwandle bathi bakhipha inkinga kanti bengakwazi bakhipha umuntu oyasizana iNinive ngale the same thing bamsuse emkhunjini weCaps bengakwazi uzosizana iChiefs so ubuyile nguJona weChiefs uzoyisiza ukuthi ingagaluli iChiefs
hayi ngichazile into le hayi ngichazile
it did well
yazi bensizwa abantu kodwa beseluvivi because bembukele iScotland endlini ahamba uyabukela iLokhuzeni Chiefs bembukele iScotland endlini but mbambona ama comments what a save from Magalani abantu besithi uGorelo nje uGorelo kodwa besithi
I still remember kukhona umtshomi owamfonelayo nje okuChiefs after incident yakhe lokhuzeni anisuze mqhambe ngebizo because yaziwa ngabantu wamfonela umfana ekhala esithi mdala nje sizokuyilahla ezinye indlela sebekhuluma ngama ngikholiti kule team ezanithatha yini wendo amazwi akhe exactly wathi kona wena wambuza wathi wena uNkulunkulu yini sitakula umuntu ozakuthatha don't give up on yourself uNkulunkulu yakwazi what is there for you in store and khangela kade he started to prove himself and I pray and it's my prayer ukuthi kona even coming the next match let him deliver engalahli so that he can prove abantu bonke abamenzela kubi abamkhangelela phansi ukuthi kona you can make a mistake and rise man a righteous man can fall 7 times and rise again
yazi ngendlela yakhuluma ngayo bengimuze ihliziyo ukuthi iCaps ay continue idliwe
no
singakhayela indaba yaMagalani mdala ongathola ukuthi anti seke sakhuluma ukuthi at some point laba sikhuluma indaba ze-mental health and stuff ama teams are investing ama psychologists wama players so ngathola remember ngesikhathi kusenzakala into leziyana a lot was going on empilweni yakhe and kulokuthi umbizo uhlale la ephansi umbuze member uhamba njani uyamchaya
yamcusha
we make the situation worse
uyamchaya and yabona umuntu sezwa lose confidence kasakwazi ukuthi from here kukhona inokuhla uzayenzakala
and in signing yenu yadlala yini uBenji Junior
kakahlala and the good thing about the issue kaMangalani ukuthi waba strong akazange ebe weak njalo abantu because nxa uhumiliate usena ku social media ilizwe lonke likubona nje abanye abantu bayadopha intambo bezibulala but yena waba strong and thank God wabantu ufana one of the guys engikhuluma ngaye who could pick up the call and make a call to him direct and talk to him and encourage him konokana kuqhakathekile so asisupportani nini especially ama teams into eone shota kakhulu ama teams eZimbabwe they've got all other amalokuzeni ama technical people abafunakala eteamini but abala ama psychologists bafunakala abantu labane current ekoreni
100% akakhulu feel like with lucky bets match day 26 fixtures Friday the 31st we've got the Renters taking on Ted 1 Erufaro
Ted
Renters
very deep in form
ubona Ted 1 sivukile wena Renters anyway
prediction
it's your prediction
Superman
Ted 1 Renters
Ted 1
Saturday 1st of August
finish
That's August
ngase ngapheli pho
umuntu ngabele imali yerent anyway
feeling lucky
nasi lapha imali yami nale
yabona tubele deposit ngathi skipper ngadeposit about 95 to mphinde skipper
mphinde imali yerent
clean Saturday 1st of August chicken in takes on yabulayo Chiefs eLuveve bulayo Derby
kanti kodwa uyabona isigqoke njani
thina le match sayiwinela for abantu abayi-3 bethu abasitshonileyo.
Hayi liyasuyela
Chicken
Chicken lebula Chiefs.
Ule
Igame le
ungathanda phune beef sihamba Chiefs. Sihamba Chiefs.
Chicken in the Bulawayo Chiefs.
mina ngithi 1-1 draw.
1-1.
ZPC Kariba takes on the Dynamo seNyamonga.
Dynamo.
ndibabone kade basuke kade sebekharipa besiya khonani sebebuyela ngiyongixoxa labo nje usithi hayi kuhambe kusungu ndoda sokuseservice
but akusivaleli ukuthi usinike result
so
result
iDynamos la ichisile these days
stay prediction sorry
1-1
Kariba
Dynamos.
Platinum Stars takes on FC Platinum takes on Simba Bora eMandawa. Kuyafiwa
ezixegayo zodwa iPlatinum yawina kade
Ayaniki Platinum le.
yawina 1-0 Platinum
sympathizing with the show lawo ni Platinum. Triangle takes on FC Hunters eGibo.
Trango.
abazingeli
Hunters.
Triangle.
Scotland takes on Moze Rufaro.
Scotland.
Moz
Phela le ngenye angazi ukuthi iderby mthetho but ngenye iderby le.
ungena kwabo kwenzayo lokho
le vele kuhlala kukajwa le but surprise iScotland ihlalile ile age of iboze most of the times wili lokho agama takes on ngezi Platinum ewadzanayo
obvious ngezi yacha
Hard Rock takes on Manika Diamonds eChawanda.
Hard Rock.
Then Sunday the 2nd of August as lokho ngethu ngithi so August Cape United takes on Highlanders Rufaro Stadium.
yawina
City derby.
iPos yawina
I give it to Boss.
Boss man. Boss.
Yazi ukuthi
No, ngikhayela iCaps
sikhayela nasikhayela ukuthi iPos ifelwa sikhayela iCaps lo ngeke ngakhayela kokufelwa but sikhayela iCaps idown plus
ngicama last week sambeni sengcono.
right guys Lucky Bets has done it for you. It has been doing it for the men of the match. Now it has done it for you that we can get a replica for Chicken In. Only deposit $5 on your account and take a screenshot, send to the numbers that are down there. And trust me and believe me, abake bawina kepes bawina t-shirt amnyamalana, they can testify with Lucky Bets is for real. So do it and you're going to win. And remember to subscribe, follow, and singachiani sihlezi sonke. Siyalithanda. Tara.
Yeah, and everything okwenzayo ungakhohlwa ungalahli ubuntu. Otherwise qhubeka usubscriber ubukela iPass and Move unxuse labanye njalo bebuye bezosibukela ukwenza ukuthi sikhuleni njengemule one sikhulise silungisise futhi okurongo ebranded elase Zimbabwe. Faleli.
Dango. Chief Cornerstone.
All things work together for a good to those who love the Lord. So yonke into asiyamukeleni siyamukele ebuhleni khona kusasa uyamuva kahle. Without that uzabona into esinzima. All things work together for a good.
Kanjomba ngelami zomele ngiqalisa ukuba iBhayibheli ngingaba lama examples akade
Hapo ngothi I saw the Lord.
ale ngiyayicaba ngoba ezimfeni abayichiya abafundisi kale yabantu sebayigrade abayichile le umbane ivesi le
Matthew 1:27
Matthew 27 but ubani was
Uchivisiting
all things work together for good to those who love the Lord. Romans.
Mphindi njalo sesihamba for the last time. Hamba ku luckybets.co.zw, open an account, deposit $5 using EcoCash, Omari and Npax. Place a bet. Please don't forget to place a bet. Place a bet. After you've placed a bet, take a screenshot, send it to the number on the screen or on the details there. You send your proof. You stand a chance. Lucky Bets is giving away chicken in replicas every single day. Yes, you heard me right. Every single day till the end of this competition. Until we meet again next week, guys. Siyabonga. Danko.